Hi, today we are going to see what is the basic funda within to design a responsive web page in HTML5. Before we are going to start to create a responsive web page, we have to know something about what is responsive. Nowadays, it is a very famous word of a responsive website. But what is the meaning of responsive website? Earlier days we have viewing the websites only in laptop and desktop. But as the technologies are upgraded days by days, nowadays no, we are viewing any website not only in laptop or in desktop. Rather than using those things, those electronic devices, we are using to view websites in our mobile or in a tab. So, the screen size of a laptop or desktop and the screen size of a mobile or tab are totally different. Now, the content we can see in a desktop or a laptop of an web page and the content in a we have seen in a mobile screen obviously not be same, but to adjust the size or adjust the content within the according to the size of the screen, we are using some techniques, and that particular technique is known as responsive. So responsive is a technique through which we can adjust the content according to the size of the uh, screen size of the devices. I think so it is clear now what is a responsive web page. So now we are going to create a simple basic design of an responsive web page in a notepad. Simply we will open a notepad and create here by writing some basic code of HTML5. Doc type HTML, next HTML open and close tag, next head section comes, and then body. To create a responsive web page, main things will be written in our main basic fundamental things will be written in this particular head sections. We are writing some meta tag as meta http equiv content type content as text HTML card set equals to UTF-8. What is the meaning of cast set? Cast set is nothing but the character set defines in the body content of the HTML5 web page. Rather than writing only in English, we can use any other characters also, and to HTML can recognize those characters by defining this card set as UTF-8. Next is the most important thing comes for responsive design, web page design, that is meta name equals to viewport, content width device width initial scale equals to 1, maximum scale equals to 1, user scalable equals to no. Let's see whatever we have written here. Meta name as viewport. This is the most important thing. Once again I am repeating it. Content equals to width equals to device width with initial scale equals to 1 and maximum scale equals to 1 and user scalable equals to no. Now we are going to give a page title with open and close tag. Responsive web page in HTML5. Now we are going to add some style. In style we are giving a background property, background color property of a body. See over here I am writing background hyphen color. Check once more, the spelling of the color is color, not color, because in HTML the property of colors defined as color. HTML cannot be able to recognize color, and the color I am writing, instead of writing the color name I am giving over here color code. You can get color code from any websites by searching through Google, or if you are using any text editor like Dreamweaver or Dreamweaver, you will easily able to get the color code, or you can pick up any color. Media screen and max width 740 pixel. This sentence defined that if the maximum size of the screen be 740 pixel, then I am using some body background, different body background color. Simple copy paste this body color by changing the color. Now if the media screen width maximum be 600 pixel, then the color will be changed. If the maximum with screen width be 480 pixel, then the color will be changed. If the maximum width of the screen be 320 pixel, then the color will be changed. So basically whatever I'm writing over here, please carefully notice. If the maximum width of the screen be 320 pixel, then the body background color will be this. If the maximum width of the screen be 480 pixel, then the color will change to this. If the maximum width of the screen be 600 pixel, then the color will change into this. And if the maximum width of the screen be 740 pixel, then the color will change to this. And if the screen be greater than 740 pixel, then the default color will be this. Now I am going to save this page. Save as. I am saving it into desktop. Responsive, giving the name of the file as ResponsiveWebpageInHtml5. Please carefully notice that the extension of the file always be .html. Now saving it. This is the file. Now open it in Mozilla Firefox. See, the color is something else. Now if I minimize the screen, let's see what's happened. See, while I am changing the screen size, automatically the color of the background changes. Now again if I decrease the size, see again the background changes. And if I change it once more, then also changes. And if I minimize this, then the color change. So if the device is mobile, or not only mobile, maybe any device, but if the screen of the screen size is within 320 pixel, then the color will be this. If it is more than 320 pixel and be less than 480 pixel the screen size, then the color will be then this. If the screen size is more than 480 but less than 600, then the color will be changed to this. And if it is greater, the screen size be greater than 600 and less than 740 pixel, then the color will be this. And if it is greater than 740 pixel, then the color will be this. So this is the basic funda to design a responsive web page in HTML5. In the next tutorial, we are going to learn how to create a menu in a web page and for responsive web page, or to create a responsive web menu for a responsive web page. Whatever be the same thing, sorry, I'm telling the same thing, but till for next tutorial, till goodbye.